My name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired scientist, Anand, Gujarat. Today's topic of my YouTube is soil pH correction, gypsum plus elemental sulfur method, no acid. The scale of the problem, 6.7 million hectares affected by the salinity, sodicity in India. More than 10 states impacted: Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, UP, Rajasthan, coastal belts have the problem of the salinity and alkalinity. Crows lost yearly in reduced crop yield. Here you can see the figure of the salt affected soils. So sodic and saline soil raise soil pH and disturb nutrient uptake. Many farmers reach for sulfuric acid as a fast fix without knowing the risks or the safer alternatives. Know your soil, 3 different problems: saline soil, sodic soil, saline-sodic soil. Why high pH and salinity hurt your crop? High pH greater than 8.5. Nutrients like iron, zinc, phosphorus become locked plant, so yellow leaves and stunted growth. So you can see the maize plant show the yellow. Excess sodium, soil become hard, poor drainage, root cannot breathe, common in sodic user soil. Wide impact affects 6.7 million hectare in India, UP, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Safe soil pH correction for Indian farmer. So there is need to correct the soil pH. Safety first. Why avoid sulfuric acid? It is dangerous to handle, needs special equipment, risk to environment, safer option exist. So you can see here the figure of the sulfuric acid. Best alternative, solution 1, gypsum calcium sulfate, the safest and most trusted choice. So best for sodic soil, high pH, high exchangeable sodium. Calcium replaces sodium on soil particle because it contains calcium sulfate. Displace sodium, then leaches away with irrigation or rain. India's Central Soil Salinity Research Kernel recommended gypsum as the standard sodic soil reclamation input. Does not meaningfully lower pH in soil that are saline but not sodic. So what is the benefit? It improves soil structure, does not burn plant, provides sulfur 2 widely available. There are 5 simple steps for gypsum method. So first you can carry out the soil test and accordingly you can select the dose. Then spread in the field, then mix it, then leach. So there are 5 simple steps for application of the gypsum. So combining gypsum with 5 to 10 ton farmyard manure per hectare improve results and reduces gypsum need. So there is need of the incorporation of the farmyard manure well decomposed at the rate of 5 to 10 per ton per hectare along with gypsum. So it improves the results and it reduces the requirement of the gypsum. Second solution, elemental sulfur, slow and safe acid former, best for high pH mineral soil, not primarily sodium driven. Gradual action over week to month, very low overcorrection rate. Available in India as granules, pastillals for field application. Typical rate 300 to 500 kg per hectare, so shift pH by about 1 point soil dependent. Pair with organic matter to keep bacterial activity. So what are the advantages of the elemental sulfur? Much safer to store and apply than liquid acid. Less bulky than gypsum, lower transport cost. New RFS formulation developed with CSRI kernel also supplies essential sulfur nutrient. Work well with farmyard manure or crop residue. So here you can see that elemental sulfur having 99 plus purity elemental sulfur, and it is a commercial grade. Solution 3, organic amendment. So first, Dhaincha, Suspenia, it is a green manure crop. So best green manure for saline soil, fixes nitrogen, improves structure, tolerates salt. So you can see the figure of the Dhaincha. Then farmyard manure, applied at the rate of 5 to 10 ton per hectare with gypsum, feeds microbes, improve water holding and soil softener. So it is the figure of the farmyard manure. Then third one, compost and Pressmud. It adds organic matter and helps neutralize alkalinity over time. So it is a figure of the Pressmud. Then last one, biochar and crop residue. Long-term carbon, better porosity and reduce sodium impact. So it is a figure of the biochar. Indicated reclamation. So we are getting best results. If we are using the alone gypsum or farmyard manure, but you indicated, then we are getting better results. So chemical plus organic, gypsum or elemental sulfur plus well decomposed farmyard manure or green manure. Leaching and drainage, good quality water plus proper fill, drainage to remove salt. Soil tolerant crops use central soil saline research varieties and salt resistant crop in first year. Irrigation care, avoid high residual sodium carbonate water, use gypsum or acid forming fertilizer carefully. Grow salt resistant crops for better income. So you grow sorghum or jowar. It is a highly salt tolerant grain and fodder crop. Good yield even in moderate salinity. Pearl millet, bajra, excellent for saline alkaline soil, drought and salt tolerant, popular in dry area. That is why in Rajasthan, in saline area, the farmers are growing pearl millet. Then cotton, moderate salt tolerant, many varieties perform well in saline soils of Gujarat and Rajasthan. So you can see that the cotton grows widely in Gujarat and Rajasthan due to saline soil. Barley, one of the most salt tolerant crops, ideal for early reclamation year. So it is a highly resistant crop, salt resistant crop. So in early reclamation year, we have to use the barley crop. More salt resistant crop and grasses. So wheat, use salt tolerant varieties, CSSRI, state university recommended, suitable after partial reclamation. Then second alternative crop is castor, oilseed crop that tolerates salinity well, good cash crop, option in saline area. Third one, lucerne, alfalfa, perennial fodder, improves soil structure and provide high quality animal feed. And last one is Napier grass, fast growing fodder grass, tolerate moderate salinity and gives multiple cutting. So at present, the super hybrid Napier grass grow better in saline soil also. It can tolerate 1000 to 1500 TDS water having this salinity. Your 5-point farmer action plan: get soil tested, choose amendment, apply correctly, grow right crop, monitor and repeat. Safe soil is productive soil. Prefer gypsum and elemental sulfur over sulfuric acid. Always get a soil test before applying any amendment, combine chemical amendment with organic matter, grow soil-resistant crop, sorghum, bajra, barley, cotton, castor, lucerne, napier. Leach soil with good water and maintain drainage. Contact your Krishi Vigyan Kendra agriculture officer, Central Soil Science Research Station for local advice, healthy soil, higher yield, and sustainable farming. So here you can see that agriculture gypsum for salt control in arid soil. Healthier soil, safer hands, gypsum, pyrites, elemental sulfur, and organic amendment correct soil pH just as effectively as sulfuric acid without the burns, the overcorrection risk, or the damage to soil life. Test your soil, make the amendment, protect your land for the next harvest. Contact my name is Dr. PC Patel. So my email is patelpc12@gmail.com. WhatsApp +91 9909022116, Anand, Gujarat, India. So please subscribe my YouTube channel @TCP Anand _ soil health. I have many videos on super hybrid napier grass, soil health, bio-CNG, trials with biopics, stem cutting, supply, cultivation practices, and the reclamation of this saline alkaline soil and other related topics related to agriculture. So thank you very much.